How to set up a POP email account on your iPhone. This tutorial will show you how to set up a POP email account on your iPhone. First, locate and press the settings icon. It may be on a different screen or in a different location than shown here. Scroll down. Then select Mail, Contacts, Calendars. Select Add Account. Then choose Other. Press Add Mail Account. Enter the name, email address, and email password of the email account you're adding. A description will automatically appear, but you can change it if you like. When finished, press Next. In this tutorial, we are creating a POP account. Therefore, ensure the POP option is selected here. Next, you have to enter your incoming mail server settings. Press here. Then enter the host name, username, and password for the incoming mail server. Next, enter the host name, username, and password for the outgoing mail server. When finished, press Save. Success! The POP email account has been set up on the iPhone, and you can see it here listed under Accounts. Let's return to the home screen by pressing the Home button on the iPhone. To check your email, press the Mail icon here. Note, the icon may be in a different location on your iPhone. If you have multiple email accounts set up on your iPhone, they'll all be listed here. Select the email account we just set up, and any emails in your inbox will be displayed here. Click an email header to see the email. That's it! You now know how to set up a POP email account on your iPhone.